Get your career kick-started today. Welcome to the Career Channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. This helps us to work together to reach your full potential and maximize your career earnings. Thank you. In this quick video you will learn how to format a cover letter to send along with your job application. We'll give you perfect examples of what to include to maximize your chances of the employer picking you out from the other candidates. Let's jump straight into it. Here is an example of a modern cover letter format. Notice that it starts with your address at the top and then the company's address that you are writing to underneath. Having your name in large print at the top makes you memorable. You should start your letter with this opening statement. Dear Mr. Adams, I am writing to express my interest in the position of administration officer at your company, career, as advertised on your website. With my strong background in admin and general office duties, I believe I am well suited to contribute to career's mission and objectives. Paragraph 1, Introduction. Introduce yourself and state the position you are applying for. Briefly mention your enthusiasm for the company and why you are interested in joining their team. This is also an opportunity to mention any mutual connections or referrals, if applicable. You might say, I have been a customer of your services in the past and I was very impressed with the service. This encouraged me to apply to work for you. Paragraph 2. Highlight relevant experience and skills. Highlight your relevant qualifications and experiences that make you a strong candidate for the position. Mention specific achievements or projects that demonstrate your capabilities and align with the requirements of the role. Focus on how your skills and expertise can benefit the company and contribute to its success. Paragraph 3. Show alignment with company values. Demonstrate your understanding of the company's values, culture, and goals. Explain how your own values and work ethic align with those of the organization. Showcase your enthusiasm for the company's mission and how you can contribute to its growth and development. Paragraph 4. Express interest and call to action. Express your continued interest in the position and your eagerness to discuss your qualifications further. Request an opportunity for an interview or a chance to discuss your application in more detail. Thank the recipient for considering your application and mention that you have attached your resume for their reference. Ask if you can visit for a tour in advance of the interview. This will give you a huge advantage and make you stand out to the employer. End the letter on a positive note by expressing your gratitude for the recipient's time and consideration. Provide your contact information again, including your phone number and email address. Mention that you look forward to the opportunity to speak with them soon. Remind them of your availability for you to go and visit their offices for a tour or to have a quick phone call with the recruiter to discuss the role. Thank you for considering my application. I appreciate your time and consideration, and I look forward to the possibility of discussing my qualifications further. Good luck with the interview. If you need help with drafting a cover letter, drop a message in the comments. We will be happy to assist you. For more interview tips or information on job roles, please see our other videos. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.